Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. The information superhighway will soon be a little easier to navigate in one east central Indiana town. Newcastle is one of 11 smaller Indiana cities to have fiber optic installed in town, thanks to a $107 million federal loan. Evansville-based Cinergy Metronet will install the system, which will offer high-speed internet, telephone, and television service. The federal loan is part of a federal initiative intended to improve telecommunications in rural areas. The Summer Heat Festival in Muncie is bringing out some of the nation's top flight acts. Newslink Indiana's Abby Walton took off with a pilot whose flights are anything but ordinary.
Spins, dives, twists and turns. Just another day at the office for this Arizona pilot.
I fly, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 times a day.
3-time U.S. National Aerobatic Champion Kirby Chambliss says flying his Red Bull Edge 540 is the greatest roller coaster ride there is. Chambliss is in Muncie this weekend to show off his skills during the Summer Heat Festival.
Chambliss says he'd rather be up in the air than on the ground, so I'm going to trust him and take my very first airplane ride. We'll see how this goes.
The man with the iron stomach says while this extreme sport may look deadly, it's actually quite safe. That's because any mistake you make could be fatal.
Racing cars, is it dangerous? Yeah, you can say it's dangerous. Could you make it safer? Yeah, if you told everybody, hey guys, we don't want you to drive over 20 miles an hour at the Indianapolis 500, it'd be really safe, but it'd be pretty boring. I doubt if anybody would watch.
Chambliss's favorite part of aerobatic flying are the fans. He enjoys coming up with new and complex tricks that will wow the crowd.
But I love to come down and people say, God, I've never seen a plane do that before.
And neither had I, especially from the front seat. In Muncie, Abby Walton, Newslink, Indiana.
And you can catch Kirby Chambliss's aerobatic show this Saturday and Sunday between 1 and 5:30 p.m. Now here's Ina Segal with a look at tomorrow's forecast. Ina?
For tonight, the clouds are going to stick with us with a few sprinkles with a low of 49 degrees, close to record lows. For tomorrow, we're going to see mostly sunny skies with a high of 71. Chris?
Thanks, Ina. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.